Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about IDM extension not working. Solution 1. Please update IDM to the latest version by using IDM help. Check for updates, menu item. Step 2. For Chrome, you have to enable Use Advanced Browser Integration option in Options drop down to General. IDM. Then check that integration into Chrome is also enabled. If IDM shows some error messages when you try to enable advanced browser integration, please check to read instructions in such cases. Solution 3. If you have already added IDM extension into Chrome, you need to configure it correctly. To do this, press on Chrome menu, then select More Tools in menu item and then select Extension tab. Then press Details option for IDM extension. You need to check that IDM integration model extension is enabled. You need to allow extension to read data on all sites. If you use incognito mode in Chrome, you need to enable Allow Incognito checkbox. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.